Executions, Nuruddin Haji is urging religious leaders not to accept contributions whose source is uncertain. The DPP says that his office is ready to work with churches to establish the origin of donations given to churches. He spoke during a forum that brought together religious leaders, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. There has been debate over churches receiving money said to be proceeds of corruption. Last month, Anglican Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapit announced that the Anglican Church will review donations by politicians, but later reviewed the stand.
That issue of confronting an evil using the mouth. You have the best platform in this country, at least 4 times a month. Apart from that, there's counseling. There are committees that you are a member of. So you have all the forum.
We want to urge you that as religious leaders and institutions, you must refuse to accept contributions that are of questionable origin. You have it within your power to create systems that can interrogate and ascertain the origin of donations and contributions, and if you need help, we are here. We can help. We are willing to work with you. And this is a very important point, because you as religious leaders, if you accept, then what moral grounds do we have to tell them not to amass this ill-gotten wealth? So I urge, with a lot of humility and respect, that this issue is taken up vigorously and seriously.
24 people have been admitted at the Kapkatet